Welcome all to another edition of this channel, that is Movement. Our planet's constant spinning and revolving combines with its special tilt work together to create the rhythm of our lives. From the rising of the sun each morning to the changing season each year, it's an incredible cosmic dance that we see every day. Have you ever wondered why do we experience day and night? And why does a warm, sunny summer eventually turns into a cold, dark winter? It is because of the incredible movements of the Earth in space around the Sun. Rotation is the first type of movement of the Earth on its axis. The Earth's axis is tilted at an angle of approximately 23.5 degrees. One complete spin on Earth's axis takes 24 hours, and the speed of Earth's rotation is 1,670 kilometers per hour. The spinning motion is what gives us day and night. As the Earth rotates, the part facing the Sun experiences day, and the part of the Earth which is away from the Sun experiences night. The anti-clockwise direction of rotation of the Earth makes the Sun to appear to rise in the east and set in the west. The length of the day is measured from sunrise to sunset. The Earth's tilt causes the sunlight to reach us at different angles throughout the day. Dawn is the time in the morning when the first rays of sun begins to emerge from beneath the horizon. Noon is when the sun shines directly overhead at a place. Dusk is the time in the evening when the last rays of sunlight fade away. Revolution is the second type of movement in which the earth orbits around the sun. One complete revolution takes 365 days and 6 hours. These 365 days make up one calendar year. To keep our calendar in sync with the Earth's orbit, we account for those extra 6 hours. Every fourth year, these 6 hours are added up to 24 hours or one full day. This extra day is added up to the month of February. A year with 29 days in February is called a leap year, and it has 366 days. The tilt of the Earth affects the length of the day and nights and causes season on our planet. As the Earth revolves, different parts of the planet receive different amount of sunlight. Longer days and shorter nights are experienced during summer in one hemisphere, and the opposite hemisphere experiences shorter days and longer nights at the same time. When the northern hemisphere is tilted towards the sun, it receives more direct and concentrated sunlight. This results in longer days and warmer weather, which we call summer. At the same time, the southern hemisphere is tilted away from the sun. It does not receive direct sunlight, resulting in shorter days and colder weather, which we call winter. Russia lies in the northern hemisphere, and Australia is located in the southern hemisphere. Both of the countries experience the opposite weather at the same time. It also happens because of the tilt of the earth. Think about it. What type of clothes would you pack if you are planning a trip to New Zealand in the month of May, and why? This is the answer for your reference. Special days of the year. A solstice marks the point when one hemisphere is tilted towards and other away from the sun. This results in the longest and the shortest days of the year on the planet. These are summer solstice and winter solstice, respectively. June 21st is the summer solstice in the northern hemisphere, as it is the most tilted towards the sun at that time. June 21st is the longest day of the year in the northern hemisphere. December 22nd is the winter solstice in the northern hemisphere because it is the farthest from the sun at that time. This day marks the shortest day of the year in the northern hemisphere. The situation is just the opposite in the southern hemisphere. The southern hemisphere is most tilted towards the sun on December 22nd, which is their summer solstice day. December 22nd is the longest day of the year in the southern hemisphere. The southern hemisphere is away from the sun on June 21st, which is their winter solstice day. June 21st is the shortest day of the year in the southern hemisphere. An equinox occurs twice a year when the Earth's axis is tilted neither towards nor away from the Sun. On these days, the Sun's rays shine directly on the equator. This results in nearly equal amount of daylight and darkness all over the world. Vernal equinox marks the beginning of spring in the northern hemisphere. Autumnal equinox marks the beginning of autumn in the northern hemisphere. In the southern hemisphere, the seasons are reversed. The March equinox marks the start of autumn, and the September equinox marks the spring in the southern hemisphere. The Earth's tilt has a dramatic effect on the North and the South Pole. These regions experience about 6 months of continuous daylight in their summer. The midnight sun can be seen in some areas. This is followed by about 6 months of continuous darkness in their winter. This continuous darkness time is the best time to observe the beautiful auroras. The northern parts of Norway experience the midnight sun, where the sun remains visible at midnight during the summer months. This also occurs due to the Earth's tilt on its axis and its orbit around the sun. The tropics, which are near the equator, receive more direct sunlight throughout the year due to the minimal inclination of the Earth on its axis. That is why the length of the day and night is almost equal throughout the year, and there is no change of season in the equatorial regions. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel for more educational videos. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.